Aurora. Aurora. What are you digging up? What is that? You goofy dog. You're digging a china. You know, Adam's going to be really mad that you put a hole in his gigantic lawn. You know, it's hard to drive a tractor over all that big hole in the ground. Where are you going? You're a ridiculous puppy. That mole is long gone. Or whatever it is you're digging up. Groundhog. Come on. Aurora. 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 Hey. Psst, psst. Aurora, come here. What are you doing? My goodness. Come on, I'm getting beat up by mosquitoes. Sorry, I have mosquitoes. Come on, sweetie.